Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you a home renovation company? Are you running a business related to home renovations? And if you want more leads online through organic SEO, then do watch this video till the end. If you really want to succeed in the business of home renovations and generate more leads online, then you need to invest into internet marketing. This is the only way you're going to survive beyond your competition, and that's the only way you're going to generate more leads online. To help you understand better, we'll be discussing in detail a case study wherein we helped one of our clients offering home renovation services to stand out of competition and rank at top of Google. When we started off with this project, our first step was to analyze the website from an SEO perspective, find out what it lacks, and then try to fix that up. Then we did some diligent research in terms of competitors as well as market research and found out the most relevant key phrases for which his website should be optimized for. The idea was to find out mixed bag of keywords which were long tail but good search volumes, and keywords which were pretty competitive also, again with good search volumes. The main focus was local SEO, and we did set up his Google business profile and optimized it for further better rankings in search listings. For on-page SEO, we worked on title tags, meta tags, header tags, optimization of content, image optimization, URL fixing, and even optimized the images on the website. For link building, we used content syndication strategy, and the idea was only to get relevant backlinks from niche-based websites. Finally, our hard work paid off. His website was ranking at top of Google for quite a few search terms, and vis-a-vis we saw increase in organic traffic to the website. And due to that rise in organic traffic, the client was a happy man because he received more than 1280 plus leads for his business online. In case you're running any similar business or home renovation company and are struggling to generate leads online, feel free to get in touch with us and we surely will be able to help. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.